Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have the final project pan update. First up, I have the LA Colors Glam Lip Mask, and this one I have not made much progress on this product. It's great though. I'm going to continue to use it in eye products. So the Wet n Wild Breakup Eyeliner, I did make some progress on that. It's just the littlest product left. I'm going to continue to use this up. This product I didn't make much of any progress on. It's the Rimmel Brow This Way highlighter. I keep forgetting that it was in there, and honestly I might go ahead and pass that one along in the new year. Benefit Roller Lash, it's still in, and I'm going to continue to use it in the new year as well. This item was a new Rollin product. It's the Hard Candy Marilyn Monroe palette. Honestly, I've not used any of the eyeshadows, and I did use the blush and the highlighter. Actually, that's supposed to be a base color. I think it's a beautiful blush and highlighter, and this is the only reason why I'm keeping this palette around. You can see that I've made progress in the highlighter, but overall, yeah. And this may get passed along in the new year. One eyeshadow, the NYX single eyeshadow in Pure Skin. I think there's been a little bit of progress there. I'm continuously working on this product. I only use a little for my brows. Pretty good pan there. Probably continue to use that in the next year. The NYX Marshmallow Primer. I've made okay progress on this product. There is the new mark up here because the product goes upward, and there's where we are in this product. I'm super happy about this. I am ready for this product to be on its way out. The Milani Rose Face Oil. A little minimal progress on that. Once again, it's a face oil, and I haven't worn much makeup lately. I just haven't felt like it. So there's not a bunch of difference in these products from last update. There's that. A product that I'm not entirely sure that I will keep in, toss it or pass it along yet, but it's the Profusion Feel Good Skin Long Wear Skin Perfector. This is a foundation. It's great. I have no issues with this. It's actually a really good foundation. It is at the end of its life. I just kind of want to move on from it. I have other foundations I want to use up. Like I said, especially since the product is sputtering out. It's literally at its end. I Heart Revolution, which is the Makeup Revolution brand. Their fixing spray in vanilla and coconut. Smells good. Is a good spray. And here's where we are now. So almost done. I'm going to continue to use this up in the new year. And when I say that, I mean like these products are going to roll into the new year in the project pan. And I have the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer Mist. And I only use this to wet my eyeshadows, so we're down here. I'll just continue to use it to use with my eyeshadows. CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Pressed Powder. I made really good progress with this particular product. Like, can you see all the sidewall there too? Like, this product is definitely only a few more uses and it's gone. LA Colors I Heart Makeup Contour Palette. I used the bronzer up. I was working on this, but there's a lot of hard pan there, and I'm just done with that shade. And then the highlighter I was working on. So I've definitely made progress on the highlighter there, you can tell. And I don't know that this will roll into the new year. I'm going to think on it and may pass it along because there's still a lot of good bronzing and contour shades in here that just won't work for my skin tone, but may work for my sister's. So the Rimmel Kate Blush Highlighter Bronzer Trio. Now you can see like there's more of the sidewall showing. It's starting to break away a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't break. If it does break, regardless of how much I love this blush, I'm going to let it go. Lots of progress on this product considering the pan or nothing was showing when we started. beautiful coral blush. So I'm going to roll this in to the new year. And the last and final product that I have to share, and this is the Ione Venus Perfect Brow Mini Kit. I love the packaging, but my main goal was to use the highlighter shade, which I've done, and the brow shade that matched my hair the most. So this product is finally done. So with that said, this is the last Project Pan update for 2023. The only other video you will see pertaining to Project Pan is going to be how many products we used up during this Project Pan. So stay on the lookout for that. And stay tuned because in 2024, we're going to start a new Project Pan. I love doing this. I love seeing myself use up products. And I challenge and encourage you to do the same in 2024. Definitely start your own Project Pan. So I thank you guys so very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this Project Pan. Stay tuned for more videos like these. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.